Lakshmibai Girls Middle School, Kasaramboli, Pune. My project title is Innovative and Hygienic Solution for Maintaining Cleanliness of Swachhata Karmacharis for Cleaning Drainage Lines. Means Smart and Low Cost Machine for Cleaning Drainage Lines. Main theme is Technology and Toys for Sustainable Development. Sub-theme is Cleanliness and Health. Problem identified. As we all know, the Safai Karmachari enters in the drainage line, and in the drainage line there is too much wastage, and that by cleaning the drainage line, wastage lives on their body, and there are too much small pathogens in that, so that pathogens enter in the body and they got too much skin diseases, and there are various hazardous gases like methane and various elements like para, lead and cadmium. So this get lungs diseases. For avoiding this all, I have made this solution, and they have too much diseases. If they don't get any doctor's treatment, so who will take their responsibility of their lives? And construction of my project is, I have made this all project by using the things I have available at the home. As you can see here, here is a handle, and here is a pipe which is attached to this trolley, and here are 4 wheels. This is garbage collector. This is pan number 2, pan number 1, and I have attached one string which is used for pushing the pan number 1 up and down. So here is a cantilever mechanism, means from this trolley the extended part is called cantilever, and here is a pivot point from which this pan number 1 will rotate itself by 45 to 50 degrees. Working. First of all, Safai Karmachari will push this trolley like this on the road, and then the main point is they have to keep this pan number 1 in the drainage line, and they have to push this trolley like this. While doing this, by the friction, all the garbage will collect at this point, and here is a mesh, so liquid waste will drain from the mesh, and then solid waste come from pan number 1 to pan number 2. As you can see here, this all the garbage is collected in garbage collector, and this all waste is collected safely. Conclusion of my project is, if all Safai Karmachari will use this project, so they don't have to enter in the drainage lines, and then their body will fit and fine. They will don't get any diseases. In some days, I will make this prototype in stainless steel model and I will give to use all the Safai Karmacharis. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I am Cadet Bhargavi Anand Shinde from MES Rani Lakshmibai Girls Military School, Pune, studying in standard 10th. Today I am going to introduce my project. My project name is Portable Solar Cables. Nowadays everything is gone online. Online school, online classes, online courses, etc. Everyone is choosing to work from home, sitting at a place working for hours in four walls. Yeah, it's an advantage that we don't need to go outside, traveling to our workplaces. But because of it, many people are facing mental and physical health issues. That's why as a solution I have made this project. Here I have used solar panels. The photovoltaic cells present in the panel will convert the sunlight, means solar energy, into electricity. Here I have shown a switchboard. By the means of switchboard, we will be using this electricity. Here a laptop is shown. A laptop is getting charged by the produced electricity, and remaining electricity will be stored in this rechargeable battery, so that at night too we can use this electricity. Here I have shown a bulb which shows that the electricity is being used. It's just a small model of main application, but in main application we will also be using a charge controller to regulate the current produced by these panels. Also these panels will be movable, so that if we place our tent under a shade, we will be able to move these panels in direct sunlight. We can increase or decrease the number of solar panels and rechargeable batteries as our requirement, as the appliances we will be using, like to charge mobile, to charge cameras, to charge laptops, etc. These solar cables are useful to trekkers who wish to use gadgets during our trek. They can use this cable to charge their gadgets. Students nowadays are choosing online education. So they can set up their learning space anywhere using our solar cable. Employees who have chosen work from home option can use our travel-friendly solar cable to set up their workspace even in parks, gardens or hilly areas. These solar cables are travel-friendly, eco-friendly and also easy to use and carry. Thank you.
We have made a floor cleaner today. First of all, we had made a Mikino car. We have just attached a upholstery strip and a bush with a motor and a wiper to just clean the floor. This is the basic of Mikino car. We have just attached the further part which is specialized for floor cleaning, and other parts just like wheels and two motors are the same of the wire. We have attached it to our remote control. We have and here how it works.
डार्क रूम आलाय तिथे फोटोमध्ये डार्क रूम नको आहे डार्क रूम आलाय जय हिंद.
Today we are going to explain Van de Graaff generator. So basically Van de Graaff generator is an electrostatic generator which helps to produce higher potential. So let's see the working first. coil. Here, this brush gives the charge and it supplies up, and then it gets current. It gives current to this steel sphere, dome-shaped steel sphere, and then it gives high potential, and so here we can see the acceleration of these particles due to electrostatic force.
And the charge is uniformly distributed over the medium, and therefore we can see spark flash over here.
So we'll wind up.
So also
Yeah, so you are going to learn this. No? This is part of your thing. I think this will be around 7th or 8th session.
Next, so we have a very special video for you, which is going to be premiered for the first time today.
Hi everyone, is there any other school who wants to share their feedback and can you get the video ready? Yes, yeah, hi. I think I have school from Gurgaon. I am Santosh. You can share your feedback. You are yeah, we can hear you.